Here is a beginner-level sales manager quiz that covers negotiation and deal closure, pipeline and forecast management, and sales strategy execution. Let's go. Question 1. What is the primary goal of negotiation in sales? A. To argue with the customer and prove them wrong. B. To create a mutually beneficial agreement between both parties. C. To reduce the price as much as possible. And D. To close the deal without considering customer needs. Answer: to create a mutually beneficial agreement between both parties. Question 2. Which of the following is an essential skill for successful deal closure? A. Ignoring customer objections. B. Using technical jargon to confuse the client. C. Active listening and persuasive communication. And D. Delaying the process as long as possible. Answer: active listening and persuasive communication. Question 3. What is pipeline management in sales? A. A system for tracking and managing sales opportunities from lead to closure. B. A method for designing sales brochures. C. A software for managing social media campaigns. And D. A tool for calculating discounts. Answer: a system for tracking and managing sales opportunities from lead to closure. Question 4. Which metric is used to measure sales forecast accuracy? A. Customer engagement rate. B. Pipeline conversion rate. C. Website traffic analytics. And D. Ad click-through rate. Answer: pipeline conversion rate. Question 5. Which of the following best defines sales strategy execution? A. Implementing a structured plan to achieve sales targets. B. Designing promotional banners. C. Organizing company events. And D. Managing HR policies. Answer: implementing a structured plan to achieve sales targets. Question 6. Why is forecasting sales performance important? A. It eliminates the need for a sales team. B. It reduces the number of sales calls. C. It increases the cost of sales operations. And D. It helps in planning inventory, resources, and sales targets. Answer: it helps in planning inventory, resources, and sales targets. Question 7. Which approach is most effective for closing a sale? A. Pressuring the customer into a quick decision. B. Understanding the customer's needs and addressing objections. C. Avoiding direct communication and relying on emails. And D. Offering excessive discounts without considering profitability. Answer: understanding the customer's needs and addressing objections. Question 8. What is a sales funnel? A. A visual representation of the customer journey from prospect to buyer. B. A tool used for budgeting advertising campaigns. C. A customer support strategy. And D. A method for designing retail stores. Answer: a visual representation of the customer journey from prospect to buyer. Question 9. Which action can increase sales pipeline efficiency? A. Ignoring unqualified leads. B. Keeping the pipeline full of prospects and regularly following up. C. Avoiding customer interaction. and D. Focusing only on one large client at a time. Answer: keeping the pipeline full of prospects and regularly following up. Question 10. What is the best approach for handling price objections? A. Immediately offering a discount. B. Ignoring the objection and moving forward. C. Understanding the client's concerns and highlighting value over price. And D. Reducing product features to lower the price. Answer: understanding the client's concerns and highlighting value over price. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is an effective sales negotiation tactic? A. Dominating the conversation. B. Only communicating through emails. C. Refusing to adjust pricing or terms. And D. Finding a win-win solution for both parties. Answer: finding a win-win solution for both parties. Question 12. Which factor is most critical for accurate sales forecasting? A. Market trends and historical data analysis. B. Employee work hours. C. Office location. And D. The number of marketing emails sent. Answer: market trends and historical data analysis. Question 13. Why is pipeline management crucial for a sales manager? A. It increases employee workload unnecessarily. B. It helps track sales progress and predict future revenue. C. It is only useful for marketing teams. And D. It has no real impact on business success. Answer: it helps track sales progress and predict future revenue. Question 14. What is the key objective of a sales strategy? A. Reducing communication with clients. B. Only focusing on short-term deals. C. Maximizing revenue while delivering value to customers. And D. Closing deals at any cost, even if it hurts the business. Answer: maximizing revenue while delivering value to customers. Question 15. Which factor is most important when executing a sales strategy? A. Relying solely on word-of-mouth marketing. B. Ignoring competitor actions. C. Avoiding follow-ups. And D. Having a well-trained sales team. Answer: having a well-trained sales team. Question 16. What is the best way to manage a sales pipeline? A. Regularly reviewing and updating sales opportunities. B. Letting leads sit in the pipeline indefinitely. C. Avoiding follow-ups with customers. And D. Closing deals without customer consent. Answer: regularly reviewing and updating sales opportunities. Question 17. Which step is essential for successful deal closure? A. Offering no flexibility on pricing or contract terms. B. Understanding customer needs and reinforcing product value. C. Avoiding eye contact during negotiations. And D. Delaying responses to customer inquiries. Answer: understanding customer needs and reinforcing product value. Question 18. Why should a sales manager track conversion rates in the sales pipeline? A. To identify which stages need improvement and optimize sales efforts. B. To increase office expenses. C. To focus only on unsuccessful deals. And D. To reduce the number of sales team members. Answer. To identify which stages need improvement and optimize sales efforts. Question 19. Which of the following is a common sales forecasting method? A. Ignoring past data. B. Guessing future revenue. C. Historical sales analysis. And D. Avoiding market research. Answer. Historical sales analysis. Question 20. What is an important element of a strong sales strategy? A. Ignoring competitor analysis. B. Selling without a structured plan. C. Reducing customer interactions. And D. Clearly defining target customers and sales objectives. Answer. Clearly defining target customers and sales objectives. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.